Hello, happy Tuesday. I'm Rachel and I'm here for another Tuesday Tech Tip. So today we are going to be talking about the Zoom Whiteboard feature. If you haven't used it before, this is your time to try it out. So to access the Zoom Whiteboard, you are going to go to where it says Share Screen, and then you're going to click Whiteboard, and then you're going to click Share. This will open up a blank collaborative space that you can use to create annotations and drawings with other people who are on your call. So if for whatever reason you don't see the toolbar show up when you do this, you can just click where it says whiteboard and it will make the toolbar appear or disappear flexibly. So on this annotated screen, I have the ability to add text. I can add drawing tools, so I can write with a pen or I can write with a highlighter. I have different shapes I can use to annotate to be able to show different things that I want to show. I have a highlighting shape. I've got lots of cool shapes in my whiteboard feature. This will default to letting other people annotate with you, most likely. So tip number 2, I get asked a lot, what happens if I want to be able to write and annotate, but I don't want everyone else on the call to be able to annotate with me? So if you've ever been in that situation where you find errant lines showing up all over your screen, probably the annotation has been turned on and somebody is accidentally drawing on your screen. No problem. That's a quick fix. Just go to these 3 dots that say More and go down to where it says Disable Annotation for Others. When I click on that, it will turn off the other participant's ability to be able to annotate. And what's nice is I can enable that or disable that flexibly throughout my call. Now, tip number 3, what happens if I have the annotations enabled, but I want to know who is writing what? Not a problem. Again, I'm going to go to this More feature and I'm going to make sure that I have Show Names of Annotators clicked. When I do that, then the other people who are on my call are going to be able to still annotate if I have that enabled. But when they annotate, I will be able to see what it is that they're writing and who wrote it. So you'll see Wonder Woman is drawing the green squiggle. Now, tip number 4, what happens if they draw something or write something and it's not what I wanted? Well, thankfully, you'll probably know who wrote it, but also you have the ability to clear just the annotations of other people on the call. So if I go up to where it says clear, I can clear all the drawings or I can clear just the viewer's drawings. So that'll clear everything that I didn't write. So it's a really nice way to easily take things away, and then you can deal with the after effects of the whatever it was that you didn't want to see. Now, tip number 5, last but not least, you may choose that this whiteboard is the best way for you to collaborate. But a lot of people also like to collaborate, not just with a whiteboard, but they like to collaborate using a paper that students are working on or a text or a picture that students are reading or analyzing. So what you can do is instead of using the whiteboard feature, you can go up here to where it says New Share. And you can open up whatever paper or text that students are working on, and you have the ability to annotate on this text. You'll just click right here where it says annotate, and you can add text together, or you can add feedback, draw, highlight the parts that you like. And what's great about this is as long as other people have the ability to share their screen as well, which is easy to turn on and off, you just go up here to where it says security, and then you just make sure that where it says allow participants to, that you have checked share screen so they can share their screens. And then you can send your students into breakout rooms, or they can work collaboratively in those breakout rooms, sharing their screen, sharing their work, and getting feedback from one another. And when they've gotten all of the feedback on their paper or whatever they're working on, they can come over here to where it says save, and they can save all of those annotations as either a picture file or a PDF file. And so they'll have that later to be able to access so that they can see and have in real time all the feedback from their peers. So hopefully this is helpful, and I look forward to next week where we'll talk more Tuesday Tech Tips. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below, or if you have apps that you'd like to see highlighted in future Tech Tips, just let me know. Thanks so much. Bye.